We'll hit a nice rapid descent from that tree, but let's get there first. So here we go. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jose here with Captain Hook Tree Climbing. I'm about to do a quick climbing demo for you guys on a Notch Rope Runner Pro. And so got my line here. I just threw it up there. If you guys haven't seen my line setting video, go ahead and watch it. It'll be up here on the left side of the screen. And yeah, so let's get to it, guys. Here's my rope. Oh man. All right, let's do this real quick. So I'm just gonna put an anchor knot in here. So there it is. Remember, flat side to the tree. And then let's pull this guy through. See if it works. That right there will hold me. Yeah, and I don't know if you guys seen my video. If you guys haven't seen my hybrid SRT climbing video, I was jumping from these canopies, between these two canopies, back and forth. It was a really good time. Go ahead and check that out. I'll link that in the left corner of the video here. And there it is. So I just want to try to get some good footage of how it folds up as it tends.
Up.
Well, this is Captain Hook tree climbing, and better have my hook on me, right? There it is. And here we go. All right, everyone, so I guess I'm just gonna climb through the tree for now. All right. You see that? Silky smooth slack turning. Silky. Look at this. Silky smooth. Ooh. Wow, that don't look too good. And there's a nice big slug right there. See him? I think he's pooping. You guys want to see just like a straight milk? See how it runs right through the rope? And so these canopies, they're nice and full here. Probably go check out that canopy, no? What do you guys think? Yeah, why not? We'll go out there, do a traverse real quick, and then we'll go from there. Then we'll milk it from over there. All right. Try to get a nice beefy, I think I see one. There's gonna be a branch that's behind this first set of, that first stem there that we see. So it's gonna be the stem behind there on that lateral. And then, yeah, we'll catch it from there. Nope. Close, but no cigar. All right. Even that branch. We'll just hook onto that one right there, and we'll call it good. think we should be good there. Yep. Okay. No. Okay, here we go. There we go. We got onto it. We are hooked, guys. Hooked is who we are. Alright. So now, I don't know how I'm gonna do it without a foot ascender. Now the foot ascender normally helps me pull myself in, but that is not my advantage today. So that's about as much as I can get for now. Probably footlock on it too. Yep, footlocking on it helps. And here we go. Here it is. And there. Look at that. Wow, that's nice. All right. Sweet. Awesome. There we go. Yeah, nice big mouth opening there. Love that carabiner. All right, good. So the next thing we're gonna do, let's see what we do. A toe hook here. Try to brace ourselves. Get ready for that. For that milking. We're gonna break this thing in right now. I'm gonna burn all the paint off the inside right now. So here it goes. Yep. All right. Whoa. Oh geez, man, I burnt the glove there, right in there. It's all glazed. Whew, man, that was rapid. Very quick on the ground there. Whew, and look. The rope runner was just eating it up. You see all the fibers in there? Nice, man, nice. All right, so this thing it's hot, it's warm. Like right now, I can feel how warm it is. That was really cool. Anyways, guys, this is one more time. Oh, that is so beautiful. and there's very minimal sit back. Wow, this thing is nice. I dialed it in really good. Currently closer to 3, but it seems like I could be under the 3, so around 2, 3, and 4 on this Dragonfly, the Teufelberger Dragonfly. If you guys are going to be using this, I would tell you guys not to use this rope. There are better ropes than this. I think one of the key things you want to look at for the rope that's going to work best on this thing, on the rope runner, it's going to be something that has a low twist, that kind of a thing. Basically a stiffer rope, something that might stand on its own if you were to just, like, you know, try to get it to stand up, you know, something like that. This rope, it's too soft. It's way too soft. It holds its shape afterwards, but I don't know how long that's gonna happen. I know when I used to use the Blue Moon would flatten out in the rope wrench, and this device up here is very similar to a rope wrench, the bird here. So the Blue Moon got flattened out, and it got flattened out like pretty much just indefinitely. It's like that for forever now. It's just a flat rope. It's flattened in different spots, and even when you use it with other devices or just even a hitch climber system, you still see that flattening in the rope. So this rope is okay. It's better than the Blue Moon because it actually returns to its shape afterwards, so that's a really good thing. So that's a decent construction here on the rope, but trust me guys, that's not gonna last for long, because I remember when I first started seeing the flattening of the Blue Moon, it kind of started out like this, but that one kind of just stayed flat forever, for a long time. So I don't know if that's gonna be the same thing with you guys, but or with this rope, but that can be the case. Never know. Tell me what you guys think about it. Leave some comments down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time guys, peace.